Okay, a couple of more minutes and I'm going to start the conversation. Okay, so let's get started. News today. Um, so we do have this one here at 8:30. So we do have news at 8:30. Unemployment rate is a big one, and non-farm employment change is another one there. So that's it for today. I believe in news. 10 a.m. we have PMI. I'm gonna mark those two there. So if we go here, that would be 8:30. I put it 10 minutes before. Actually, that alert, I do have alert also, an alert for gold 2 minutes out, before that one opens. So I'm gonna, and then I obviously I do have crude as well when that market opens, and then at 8:20 it's for the 8:30, 10 minutes before. Have to be careful on that one. And then the other one is 9:45. I'm gonna mark the one at 10 a.m. 9:45. Okay, let's mark it also. Okay, so that's it in that one. Guys, remember we do, no we, but Apex has a 90% discount on funded accounts. So make sure to check them out. The link is in the description. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna take this drawings out. No, I'm not gonna do that. So gold levels for today. Let's see what we see here. So this is, yesterday I did not mark the levels. I was really busy doing other things. So I'm going to put that one. We are still below the 2000 level right here. So I want to mark 2000 as the level in the upside. It is supported in several areas. Right there, right there. And here, you could argue that it tried to go to 2000. It stopped at 1998.7. So I'm going to consider that one 2000 as well. Let's move this one a little bit to the right. And then in the other side, I would say that this is a good level as well. That marked by that. Yeah, that, and in the upper side, we do have some rejection. Where do we? Yeah, we do have some rejection up here that it's interesting also. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. So let's see what we have. As I said, I'm gonna mark this one as 2000. No, this one here at 2000. Sorry. And then this one. 19 support that could be 1990. Let's see what happens there. Probably a little bit too high. Yeah, a little bit too high. 1980. No. What am I doing? So this one here, I'm gonna make it manual right there. Where do we have here? We have the previous low right here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. 1987. All right. Okay, crude. Let's look at the levels in crude. So that's the range there. We're looking at 83 right there. It's a little bit above. I'm gonna mark today. I'm gonna mark the upper side up there. So that's the resistance. And then support. I want to take that one there. This one is a significant pivot high, a low, supported by this one also. And there are a couple of points there on the support level there. So I'm going to mark that one as my level today. 82, huh? 82. I like 82. I'm gonna go with 82 as a support. And then 83.50. A little bit high, but I'm gonna leave it there. Yeah, a little bit too high. Okay, so another thing though to notice here is that we're crossing the moving average. You see that one with this one here. So it's crossing above. So a little bit of bullishness. We are still in a downtrend there. But it seems that there is a somewhat trend reversal breakout, lower lows, and then there's a similar low or double bottom right here, and it started to move up. And now it's crossing, so potentially can go to the upside. We'll see how the other charts are supporting this entry. Guys, if you don't mind, press the like button. That would be nice, and to help me to promote this videos and this work. Okay, let's go to ES. It's a little bit small. Here, let me enlarge it a little bit. So levels for ES today. I'm gonna take this one. Yesterday it really broke it. You know, it went to this area here, broke the moving averages. So you have the green bar right here for the crossing, right? And then it started to move up. There's a really nice move to the upside yesterday. So let's see what the levels are for today. So let me see here. I would say that resistance is going to be 43. I would say 43.40. And I'm gonna really take this one here would work. Supported there, and there's some here as well, but I would say that this area here is the support level. So I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, I would say that that would be so 42.90, 43. 43 is gonna go a little bit too high, so I'm gonna leave it at 42, and then this one is going to be let's put 43.40 right there, closer to this top in the overnight or previous day high. So we'll see what's going to happen here. So this is ES. Let's move it a little bit to the right. So those are my levels here. So what are we expecting here? It's if it goes above that one, it's going to retest this support level. Now it is resistance, but it's going to come back and then continue the move to the high. And then if it does do a random stop, it could also continue moving to the downside to this other side of this channel or range, and then if from here it could go up if the market is going to range today. And so these are critical levels, actually, support and resistance. So, and then here we do have the midpoint. That blue line there is the midpoint, and then this one here is the extension. That line here, this one is the extension. Same distance in between the green and the red line, it projected to the upper side right here. And then from here, you can have a reversal zone up there. Okay, so if you draw this one with this tool that I created, the Fibonacci, that would do somewhat about the same thing, right? So you get the idea. So you get that distance here. This one is a reversal zone, and then this one is a reversal zone to the upside as well. So in these areas, if the market is moving sideways today, then we would expect that the market would go to this area, and look for. I would be looking for trend reversal breakouts to the upside, moving to the other direction, and trying to land and with objectives in this zone here. If it goes to it moves horizontal and try to make a break and then try to make a break to the other side. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so that would be ES. I'm gonna take this one off. So let's go to NQ. NQ, let's take this level here. And let's see what are, so I do see some resistance here very clearly. I'm gonna align it with that 15, 16. 16 could be the resistance a little bit higher. Let's see what we have here. Finance is a little bit too high. I would say there. You know what? I'm gonna take that previous day high, and then on the support. I'm trying to look for areas of several touches. So I think that would be in here. Gold. Gold is opening in 2 minutes. But we do have news in 10. So in 12 minutes. You know, I like this one. There is some support right there. Support right there. Support. Resistance. Yeah, I like that one. So I'm gonna see if we can improve this a little bit. So 850. And then I'm gonna leave it at 15. I could go a little bit higher. I want to put 15 to see what's going on. And it's 16.25. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Okay, so that's NQ. So in the ring, this is in the point and figure chart. I marked the levels, and these levels would going to move to all my other charts. So that's the level up here in the Renko entry chart. Horizontal move in the Renko entry chart on ES. You see that it's moving sideways. And let me see here. See, alarm again for news. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. Really ranging right now after the big move yesterday. So let's look at the so gold, I don't expect that much move. I might be wrong, but before the news, I don't expect any major move here. So I'm gonna continue there. Let me change my monitor and then put this one here. So we do have gold right here. We do have the 240 minutes right in there. This in this area, this is the 240 minutes. This is the 30 minutes. So let's look at those two. I do have the tick chart there, but I'm really interested in the daily as well. So you see that gold is moving, it's making a move to the upside, really trying to move, and still we are below the 2000 level in the 30 minutes. And in the 240 minutes, we have some bullishness. So I would say that it's bullish today, but we need to be careful on the 2000 level. This one has been rejected several times. You see that one there, that rejection there. There's a run on a stop. Stops right there, and now we have some resistance at the 2000 level, so we need to respect that one and be careful and put the tight stops if you're going to trade this one below this level. When it goes above this level, then that could be an opportunity, but also could be rejected. So let's see. Okay, let's look at trying to get, let's look at crude oil, and then crude in the 240 minutes. I would say that it's bullish. The momentum is still down and moving down. So overall, the market is moving downside, but it has been moving sideways here. So, and it's trading the upper side of this consolidation or compression channel right there. It's at the 50. Oh, let me see. Gold is moving to the upside. Let's go back here. The 30 minutes make a bounce off of that one. Now it's fighting the 200. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. Well, I said we are still below the 2000 level, so let's go back to crude, and then crude we are below this resistance level that we marked today, and we'll see if it goes above this moving average as well, the 200 moving average. In the 30 minutes, that is in the hourly. In the 30 minutes, we are bullish. We're making the first candle to the downside. Potentially, it's going to mark a bull flag if reverses if reverses back, but we are downtrending in the 240 and trying to move up. So I'm gonna mark this later on. I do have this marker here, so I would say that this one is a good or a good uptrend line. So we'll see. Right now, crude is, let's see, 67 up, 67 cents up. So seems that it's so bullish. I would say neutral to bullish, just because of this counter trend on the 240. And then there's a bullishness in the 30 minutes right there. But in the overall, the trend has been to the downside. But I think that it's reversing. Let's go to ES. ES in the 30 minutes is very sideways. In the an hour also sideways to up, actually, because of this previous move there. So it's consolidating. It's above the Is this correct? Something happened with my lines here. I'm going to get back to it. This one is not correct. Something happened here. I did not mark it correctly. This one should be up here, 43.40. I did something wrong, so I'm going to correct it here. And then the one is 42. 42, yeah, with that one there. Okay, so that's I think that it's better. I did something wrong here that I didn't realize, but it moved from the initial one. Okay, so so on the 30 minutes horizontal trading to go to the upside, but obviously below resistance still. So we want to see moving it up. Gold is keeps moving up here. Let's go and visit here. Yeah, it's really going to the 2000 level. News in 3 minutes. And then lastly, let's check NQ. And NQ, it's also sideways here, sideways in the 240 after this nice move in the last couple of days. So I would say bullish, neutral to bullish. It could be a range day today just because of that big move yesterday and the day before. So the market would need to rest a little bit, I would say. Okay, so let's go back to the trigger charts. I also like to look at the this chart here, which is a large bar Renko. This one is double the size of the entry chart, and this in this case, this one is an 8-unit Renko. So it's you see that here for gold is sideways. The whole channel, there's a big channel here. We'll see what it does at the 2000 level. It seems that it's in the middle of this range. And we do have news in 2 minutes. And I don't anticipate the news, right? So I don't anticipate the results of the news. So we'll see what it's going to do. "35 minutes, I mean 35 seconds to news, or 30 seconds to news now." Let's see how it jumps, if it does. Yeah, it's jumping a little bit. Up and down move, creating a doji. Breaking 2000 level on the and gold. NQ and ES also positive reaction. Oh, this is what happened to me in the other one too. I tried to move it and above the 2000 level. Let's see if it holds. Everything is employment change, everything is negative. Non-farm employment change 150K, and then unemployment raised probably around in line with expectations. Big reaction in ES and NQ. Gold as well. Breaking the 2000 level by far. 2007, 2008. Now we do have extended momentum. ES coming back a little, and NQ coming back, higher highs and higher lows above this resistance level. So pre-market on ES, it was sideways and now it's moving to the upside in the pre-market. $83.51 in crude, trying to break that resistance up here. So let's see if it gives us an entry. I think that I moved my levels here. Yeah, it's moving it. Something I don't know how to control in this sometimes. I'm gonna try this. A2 to A3, and I'm gonna put here 5 p.m. Yeah, bull flag entry right there. Missed it. It's a little bit extended here, so in the so we have two waves in this news here. So the first one at 8:30, this one moved a little bit fast, and then this one here was a second entry, a little bit extended in the indicator right here. And now we are extending theirs. It seems that we are forming a divergence there. Potential double top here, and then there's a move on the indicator to the downside. Trying to fight back to the upper side now. Trying to fight this resistance. Feels a little bit heavy gold at this level up here. ES coming back, and then Q coming back to the resistance, to the support, X resistance here. Bouncing, coming back down. Pre-market move, so Gold trying to break up here. A little bit of divergence, as I said. And yeah. And I mean CL or crude coming back down. There's a top right here, a pivot high. Nothing has come back to the 34 EMA, the yellow line here, yet. Patience, patience. Double bottom in Q. I am going to mark my levels now, so let's do that together. Yesterday was the first of the month, so what I'm gonna do here in my this is something I do every where's my this is something I do every first of the month or second of the month. So I'm going to do that today. So I'm going to share this one. So it's pretty simple. I do have a Fibonacci level right here that mark the high and the low of the first day. So in that way, I look at my bias based on this one. You see now we are right at the 35.55 level, which is the first of the month of last month. So what I'm going to do is to copy this one and did it copy? Let's see. No, it did not copy. So I'm gonna 35.55. I'm gonna fix it again. And I'm going to select it, make a copy of it, and then move it to yesterday's range here. Right there. And then I'm going to select this one and put it about there. And then I'm gonna deactivate the. So now, first day of the or second day of the third day of the month. What is this? Sorry, this is the first. I was doing it wrong. So we are bullish here. This should be have done yesterday actually. So yeah, we are bullish sentiment. Now we are still in the downtrend channel, so lower high, lower lows, trying to mark a lower high right there. There's a diagonal that is broken today, moving to the upside on ES. So let's see this one here. I'm gonna take this one and put it for gold on the first of the month again. We had an inside bar yesterday, and then now it's moving to the upside. Okay, so let's go to crude, same thing. And then I'm gonna fix it later because I'm not like watching at the move. Seems that gold wants to break to the upside even more. Okay, and then the last one is NQ. And I'm gonna mark that one. And NQ is also bias is positive or bullish bias now. Then I'm gonna analyze this one better. So downtrending, but recovering on the NQ on the weeklies. Gold right at above. There's a resistance level in the weeklies at 2022, moving to the upside today. Crude moving down, but creating this nice tail in the weeklies. And ES very similar to NQ. Okay, let's go back to the main. Momentum coming back down, losing momentum on this nice move, bullish move on gold. Crude coming back down below the resistance level. And Q making an entry right there. Risky. Crude coming back down of this resistance level. Failed to continue. Yeah, probably it's very small. The thing is that my monitor is pretty big, so yeah, could be. I don't know. Um, yeah, my monitors are slow. My monitor itself is big, so I don't have any problem visualizing what's going on. And it's clutter. I know, but I have learned how to see these levels through all of these um, drawings that I have. Yeah, probably that's true. One chart at a time. If I put this one here, would probably be better. Or if I change my monitor. So yeah, that could be. Probably what I'm gonna do is to change the monitor for next stream. I'm gonna put a monitor where I do have this same, but in a smaller monitor, so you have a better view when I replicate it. I don't. Let me see if I can see what I'm showing here. Yeah, maybe if I eliminate one of these charts, at least maybe remove this one here from this other monitor and I show only 4 of them, that would be probably better. Yeah, let's try. Let me know. Let me know how this one looks. Let me go here and see if this is this looks is better. Just 4 monitors there. Jay, do you think that this is better in size? I mean, but yeah, less clutter also. Let me see what I can eliminate in my if I replicate this one in this monitor instead. How about size? Are you okay with the size on this one? It was better than the other monitor. Thank you for your feedback on this one. Thank you so much. So gold is coming back. It made a big move here in the 60 minutes. In the 30 minutes is moving up still above the 2000 level. There was an entry right at the 2000 level when it broke, but now it's moving sideways. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I'm going to change the displays. Jay, what indicator are you talking about? I'm gonna go back to the main. I'm sorry if it's cluttered. I'm gonna fix it, but this is the one that I'm looking at. So Predator. What's that indicator? I don't think that I'm using the Predator. Is that an automated strategy? Let's see if... I don't know which one it is. Do I have it here in my the one you promote in your site? I'm not promoting any indicator actually. The only thing that I make a 7-day trial. Crude is opening. The Predator 7-day trial. I don't know which one. Yeah, I know that there's a Predator indicator, or not indicator, but and a strategy that is an automated strategy, but I don't use it. No, I'm not. I know what you're. I know exactly what you're talking about, but it's not me. So bounce off of the right before the market open for ES. I'm sorry, for CL. Market is going to open in 1 minute. There's another Mr. Renko in YouTube. I didn't know that. So there's a trigger here, right below the resistance I marked on the opening. A little bit extended, I would say, for ES or for CL, but let's see. We're below the resistance we marked, so hesitating to enter this one just because of this resistance I marked here, and I have to believe those resistance. Yeah, coming back down, see? For now, it failed on that move, on that entry, and came back down. Still, and then we did have some extension here, or some extended price on the higher time, on the higher or anchor chart. Markets are coming back down, all of them. It's another Mr. Renko, huh? I'm gonna look for it. Okay. Yeah, the only thing that it's not good for calling me Mr. Renko is that sometimes I like to try other strategies as well, but I don't do it. It's just to test. I mean, this is my main strategy for sure. Look at how beautiful this one was rejected at the resistance level up here. Probably trying to visit the previous high. Okay, guys, 9 a.m. I'm going to stop the stream. I'm not doing, stream for trading purposes. When I trade, I like to be relaxed and calm and not being focused on the chart on the chat. And so I'm for now I'm keeping it simple. I'm not going to do any trades, and sometimes it's tough because I see an entry and I want to jump on it, but I prefer not to when I'm streaming because I'm not really focused on the chart itself and the setup, and I can probably make mistakes, and that's why I don't do it. Yeah, Trader Saver. Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, I know the. I'm not using automated trades, but yeah, that's not me. I like the guy though, but I don't use his tools. For me, something automated, it doesn't fit my personality. I need to be in control. Do I look the same? Why? And no, he's much nicer than me. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to stop the stream and see you next time, probably Monday. Have a safe trade day today. Be careful of the ranges. Don't counter trend. Look at my channel. In the strategy, there are I describe all the setups and triggers that I use. And guys, take care of yourself. And yeah, that this accent is pretty particular, but no, he has a much better English than me. All right. Thank you, everyone, and have a great weekend and great rest of the day.